Hello everyone. I am currently in another Walmart, still just to see what they got. As far as Tom's different items go. So, let's see what all they have. Okay. I'm not seeing any motorized here. I'm gonna say what I cast. So I just hit that and that's it. Empty shop. And behind got the delivery. You got the set. That's it. Let me check the other side. Nope. Nothing here. So Paw Patrol, cooking tray, straight. Yeah, nothing. Just a bunch of ring-ins and these still here. And also an army of Sandy. So, yeah, I think it's like one barrel delivery set. Yeah, there's one. There's one and that's it. That's always got these. This Paw Patrol stuff. Oh, Paw Patrol. This is just empty shelf. It's because they're just waiting to get everything back. Get like 26 items, but yeah. No, it's not worth here. Fail, fail, fail.